Hello everyone, welcome to Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your static website on Microsoft Azure. Please, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel for us and hit the notification button so that anytime we drop a new video, you receive a notification. And the first thing that we need to do is that I'm going to show you the websites on our local machine before we upload it to Microsoft Azure. So right now I have a simple website. You can build your own website based on your preference. So you can build your website based on what you want, and then you can host it on Microsoft Azure. But because of this video, I decided to build a simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript website that can just change the background color. So now let me show you what we have here. So I can go ahead and say that hit the live service. So this is what we have. This is the website that we have here. And then when I click on it, I just change the background color, and this is a simple website. You can build any website that you want. So we are going to host this website on Microsoft Azure. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to go to Microsoft Azure and make sure that you have a subscription. So you can sign up for Microsoft Azure for free, and then you get $200. You can use it for whatever you want, and then there is a certain services which also free for you for the for your first 12 months. So here I'm going to sign in with this email, and so here is my Azure portal. So the Azure portal, you see, this is how the interface normally look like. You can do whatever you want with the portal. You can also do it with the CLI SDK, and then even the Azure Cloud Shell. But this video, we are going to use just the Azure portal. So the first thing that we need to do is that before we can host a website, we need to use the Azure service called storage account. So we need to go here and search for storage account. So you see that there is a storage account here. You can also search here, and then when you type storage account, it will come. But I'm going to use this one. It's very simple. So I'm going to click on storage account, and right now we don't have any storage account, so we are going to create one. So what we are going to do is that we're going to hit create storage account. So we click on that, and now here we have our Azure subscription, and then we have resource group. So I'm going to change here to go to this one. So creating a resource group is very easy, and in Microsoft Azure, resource group is like a folder on your local machine where you can put a lot of things in there. So on your local machine, you may have a movies folder where you store all your movies. So on Microsoft Azure, we can create a resources, and then we put everything in there. So that is how, in the simple term, that is how the resources normally work. That is the meaning of the resources. You can also come up with your own scenario or something. Yeah, so let's go ahead and give this storage account a name. So I'm going to say that our website. So let's see that our website 2024. I think it's good. So this is this our storage account name, but let me add maybe 2024. So we are on June, so let's see something like this, right? So this is our storage account name. So this is where we are going to post. So let's go ahead. We can leave everything default and review and create. So what Microsoft Azure is going to do is that it's going to validate all the input that we have put in, and if everything is valid, then we can go. It will allow us to go ahead and create. So now you see everything is valid, so we can go ahead and hit create, and then this will create the storage account for us. So now you see we have something, see that we are creating our storage account. So it will take a few minutes to create. So now our storage account is created. So we can then see that, let's go to resource. So now this is our storage account. So you see that we have a lot of things in here, But in this video we are just going to focus on the static website because we want to host a static website. So let's click on that. So when you click here, default a static website is disabled. So when you create a storage account, default a static website is disabled. So because we want to host our static website, let's go ahead and enable that. So when we enable this, index document, so where we want, basically it's going to be index.html because that is the entry point of our application. So the index document, and then we can go ahead and see that if there is an error, so error.html to also there, just in case, but we don't have the RPG yet. But this is the main one that we want to focus on. So let's save this, and then everything is safe. So we have our storage account. We have enabled the static website functionality. It means that this storage account now can handle a static website. But before we can even make everything work perfectly, let's take a look at this link. So it means that when we upload our files, this is the link that we are going to use to access the website. So take note of that. So let's go to the container section. So there is something we call container here, and we have a lot of file share tables and all that, but in this video we are going to focus on the container. So the container will allow us to upload our HTML, CSS, JavaScript file so that we can have a web version of it. So we see that automatically when you enable the static website option here, you see Azure will automatically generate these files for you. So let's go and click on the web section here. So here is where we are going to upload our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. So let's hit upload because we want to upload those things. So I'll hit upload, and then depending on where your file is located, so I'll click here browse. Mine is located here, so I'm going to select all of them. So I'm going to select all of them in this, and I'll see something like this. You see now we have selected 3 files here. So let's click on upload, and now we have our HTML, CSS, JavaScript file being uploaded. So what the next thing that we need to do is that we need to go to the static website option again, and then we can just grab the link over there and see if this website is hosted. So let's go ahead and then let's click on here. No, so let's go back to our storage account here. We can then go to overview here. Let's click here. We want to go back to where we have the static website, so what we can do is that we can even come here and then go back to our storage account here. So so in here you see that we need to go back to the static website. So where is that static website? So go down to static website. So here is it. So we can click on the static website, and then we are going to grab this link. So let's copy this link and then go ahead and see that HTML, CSS. Let's see. So now you see this is the local version of it. So this is localhost, and this is the Azure one. So you can check the link. So you see when you check the link, it's not the same. So let's click on that. So you see now we have hosted our static website on Microsoft Azure with just easy, simple. So like you see here, we have the local version here. So this is the local host, and then this is the Azure one. So you can go ahead and play around with it. You can build your static website, and then you can host it here and then share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then share it to your friends for them to also benefit from this content. Thank you for watching Cliff Tech.